as the 7th edition of the celebration of UTOM OBONG, which commences with a boat regatta, was held at the Marina Beach, Calabar. The event, which is patronized by the Cross River State government, is an annual celebratory event in honor of the apex king, the Obong of Calabar, the natural ruler, Treaty King, the Grand Patriarch of the Folk Kingdom, His Eminence, Edidem Ekbokun Abasutu V.
Really, it's a cultural act and display of the Efik King and the Efik people. Definitely, they will see what we have in stock for them, and it's something that is not common. So we hope everybody will come and be part of that celebration.
The Efik people of Cross River State stage the boat regatta very often during coronation in time past, and it has been on for years with great history backing up. Declaring the event open, the chairman, Chief Ane Nkese Eneita, said the gathering is to celebrate the Obong of Calabar, who is the ruler of the Folk Kingdom, whose reign has restored huge peace and sanity to the Folk Kingdom.
This year is of special significance as His Eminence celebrated his 70th birthday anniversary a few weeks ago. During his reign, we have observed the re-emergence of some of our traditional activities that has nearly gone extinct. For instance, the Mbuba Ubom.
While calling on the contestants to be of high spirit for the competition, as there must be a winner. The Eki clan emerged winner with a take-home of 350,000 naira and a 50,000 naira bonus, a trophy and a certificate of participation. The Mbiabo took the second position with 250,000 naira and a bonus of 100,000 naira, while the third position goes to Indian clan with a take-home of 100,000 naira, a certificate and a trophy. The winners and some Cross Riverians have this to say.
Taking first position in Regatta is not an easy thing. It's something that we have been planning.
This particular edition, I would say it's really the best. You know, I've been here through all 3 editions, and this one has really gotten me so excited. I was so happy seeing able-bodied young men in the kingdom.
The boat regatta is an event that is celebrated in the Folk Kingdom to check and see how strong some of our young men are to be able to manually paddle the boat from one end of the river to the other end and come back safely, and then they will display their prowess.
In Calabar, Tina Akweke for FAD 360 TV.